Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my Boho braids. Bruh, this crochet took me like an hour to put the braids in, so guys, if you want to see how I did it, definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already did my braiding pattern. I did this last night and I did my makeup this morning. I really just wanted this video to be fast, so that I did all of this first before coming to record. But basically for the braiding pattern, I did what I typically do most of the time, but I'll explain to you guys how I did it. So for the front, I did individuals. So basically what I did was I just cut up my hair, like cut up the square. I braided just a little bit, just enough to secure that braid, and then I twisted a little bit and I just left the rest. My hair is getting a bit longer, so twisting it all the way to the bottom is just wasting my time, sincerely. So I just braided a little bit, twisted a little bit, and I left the rest. And that's what I did for the whole front. And then when I was done with that, I just took each, for example, this line has two right here. I'll just take this two and start braiding to join to the back. Does that make sense? So I do one braid to the back. For example, here I put these two together, and then I was just kind of going. I didn't have a certain pattern, but I know I didn't want too much braids at the back, so that's why I did it like that. So in some places, I think like right here, I also connected two lines as well, and I just braided it to one braid at the back. I'm gonna show you guys the back, because at the back I did one long braid at the back as usual, just to make sure that when you pack it up, it's not looking too bulky. So I'm going to show you guys the back. This is what the back looks like. So I did this one braid just going like this, and then so the other parts where I am joining my hair is not at the nape of my neck now, it's a little bit higher, so when I pack the hair up, it's not too bulky. I typically don't pack my hair up, but if I end up packing my hair up, I just do my braiding pattern like that, just for, you know, in case. But yeah, so yeah, that's basically it for the braiding pattern. Now let's move straight to the hair. Alright, so the hair I'm using today was sent to me by a company called NISEYO. They sent me their Boho Box Braids, and I got the 14 inches and color 1B, I believe. They also sent me 8 packs of hair. I'm gonna try to use all of the 8 packs just because I want this hair to be kind of full. Hopefully it's full. This is my first time doing this kind of braiding pattern at the front of my hair, so I'm kind of hopefully anyway, that's what I do. But I'm gonna try to use as much hair as I can. I don't think typically you need up to 8 packs. I'm just guessing based on regular crochet, but let's see how it goes throughout the video. Yeah, I talked about the braiding pattern, I talked about the hair. If you guys want to buy this hair, obviously the link will be in the description box below as usual. This hair goes for $34.99 US, I believe. Yeah, this is US dollars. Yeah. Okay, so this is basically what one pack looks like. I counted it and it's about 17 braids in this pack, so I'm guessing it's about the same thing in all the other packs. And as I said earlier, I got 8 packs of hair. This is how it looks close up. My face is not making that focus, but yeah, this is how it looks close up, and it has the curls on the end. One thing I do like is that it starts with a little twist. Can you guys tell? It starts with a little twist at the top right here before they actually start braiding, and I think that's gonna make it look better. But anyway, I don't know. Yes, I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and start doing this hair, okay? So I'm doing the regular crochet braid method, and I'm just going to, for the front, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet on each box, like one braid per box. I'm hoping that will look good, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is what we have so far. It's looking really nice. I'm going to go ahead and trim it a little bit just so that it's a little bit more even. But before I do that, I'm going to go into I'm going to use my mousse, and this is from Tresemme. Yeah, I don't really have any specific reason for picking this mousse. It's just the mousse I found quickly. Alright, so now that I've used my mousse, now the hair looks pretty okay, but I'm going to go ahead and just trim it a little bit to give it a little bit more shape. Alright guys, this is what we have now. I think it looks really good. I would like to know what you guys think. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this hair a little bit because I noticed a few things when I was doing this hair, so I'm going to let you guys know. So one of the things I noticed was the curls on this hair. Okay, so there's some of the hairs that, you know how, for example, this is how the strand is, and there's like this one strand poking out here that's curly, and then the end is curly. If you look closely at this one, this one is even curly. There were some that were like super straight, like just straight, like no curls at all. So those ones I wasn't even using them, and then when it got to the point that I had to use them, I just used them all at the back. But yeah, that was an issue that I had. It's not a big deal because it's actually not obvious because I used them at the back and I can't really tell, but I noticed that some parts were not curly at all. They were just literally straight. Another thing I noticed, which was just funny to me, was the sizing of the hair. I don't know if the hair was handmade or if it was made by machine, but this hair, like most of it was not even the same size at all. Like it was just funny to me. It makes it look good though, but like I was just like, whoa, it's not even the same size. Some packs are like super big, some packs are super small. For example, I saved one of the ones from the big packs for you guys to see. So this one in front right here, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This one in front, can you see the size? I did like really tiny pieces in front. Can you see the size of those compared to this one? Can you see what I'm talking about? Like they're not even the same. They don't even look like the same hair at all, but like it's the same hair, but the size is just completely different. And I noticed like two packs that were like that, so yeah, I was like, what's going on? It's not a big deal because I can't really notice it. I use most of it at the back, so yeah, that's basically that. If you guys want to buy this hair, the link is going to be in the description box below. It's super affordable, and you get that bohemian braids, goddess braids, whatever this is called. I feel like there's so many names for braids with curls nowadays, like I can't even keep up. But yeah, you get the braids looking like this, like without sitting for hours. Like it's just amazing. And doing this braiding pattern really does work. Like I look like I did regular braids. Like what? Let me show you guys when I pull it up. So like when I pull it up, just look at how it looks. It literally looks like I did regular individual braids, and I'm absolutely here for it. Like it looks really good to me, and if it doesn't look good to you, well, it looks good. Yes, that's basically it. Gonna be styling it like this. I don't think I'm gonna be putting it up like in a full bun, probably just a half bun, because that looked really good when I did it earlier. Yeah, I'm just feeling myself, sorry guys. Yeah, and then yeah, you don't even have to trim it if you don't want to trim it, because it was already looking good. I know, like even the company even asked me to trim it, but like I didn't feel like I needed to trim it because it was already looking good. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna be here feeling myself because ow. Anyway guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to like this video. I just said thumbs up and like, but it means I really mean it. Okay, please like the video, subscribe before you leave a comment before you leave, watch my other videos, share my videos with your friends. Yeah, anyway, if you guys have any videos you want me to do or any styles or have any questions, ask me in the comment section below or on my Instagram page. My Instagram is Barbara Udenze. I'm pretty much very active there. I think more active than on YouTube. So yeah, so if you have any questions, you can always send me a DM on there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh, I didn't show you guys the back. Hold on, let me show you guys the back. What? That's so good. Can I see the back? Okay, yeah, I think you guys have seen most of the hair. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.